transportation, installation, and handover of Go&Go automatic motorbike washing machine and hand-mesh washing machine. At the end of the year, motorbike wash off are busier than ever. They go up bummer to bummer. Customer line up in the long queue. Everyone wanting their bikes washed clean in preparation for the new year. This is also the time when just carry Go&Go automatic bike wash machine and hand-mesh washing machine begin rolling from this factory to various locations, bringing with them both modern technologies and attractive business opportunities. Each machine is not just a product, but also a tool to help shop owner quickly increase revenue, especially during the peak season at the end of the year. At the Go&Go factory, the technical team meticulously perfects every detail. The steel frame is coated with anti-rust paint. The pump and high-pressure nozzle system are thoroughly inspected, and the washing process are precisely calibrated. Each machine undergoes a rigorous inspection process before leaving the factory, because Go&Go understand that this is not just the device, but the business model, where every customer can bring in profits. When packing, the machine is securely fixed on the truck and carefully covered with a ton to ensure safety. Throughout the transportation, upon arrival at the installation site, our procedure begins immediately. The technical team surveys the site, measures the electrical and water system, aires the steel frame, install the brushes, and connects the control cabinet. The automatic motorbike washing machine stands out, elegant and sophisticated, and right next to this, the automatic hand-mesh washing machine is installed, compact yet fully functional, washing, steaming, drying, and sterilizing. Only one operator is needed to manage both machines, continuously saving time and labor to the maximum. The moment the machine is started to the first time is truly special. The sound of water pump, high-pressure spray, and the blanket of white foam covering the bike body, along with the relentless rotating process cleaning from the wheel to the undercarriage in just 4 minutes, faster than brewing a cup of coffee. In addition, helmets are thoroughly washed, dried, and disinfected in less than 15 minutes, dry, fragrant, and ready for customer to take home. What is the soft owner life mode is the almost automatic operation. One customer to service, double the revenue without needing extra staff. Operating costs alone, high wash about 5 cents, hand-mesh washing 3 cents, while customers are willing to pay $1 to $2 for the car and $1 to $1.5 for the helmet. Just a few dozen visits a day are enough to keep the shop running smoothly. The New Year season is the golden time. The demand for bike washes increased 3 to 4 times. Customers don't want to wait long, but still want fast, clean, and modern service. When the helmet washing service was introduced, most customers readily agreed, as dirty helmets that has been 3 years around could not be cleaned and dried in just 5 to 15 minutes. A small corner of the shop suddenly becomes a gold mine, revenue doubling without needing additional space or manpower. While many traditional bike washes are still struggling with manual labor and time-consuming spraying and washing, those adopting Go&Go's automatic model are beginning to see a clear difference. In a single shift, the washing machine continuously cleans hundreds of vehicles consistently and effectively without fatigue. The hand-mesh washing machine runs in parallel, requiring only one employee to assist with receiving and handling over helmets to customers. Everything becomes more professional, faster, and significantly more productive. Beyond generating profit, the model also saves the shop owner management time. The system counts vehicles and tracks the number of helmet washes integrated directly into the stream, making it easy to monitor daily revenue. The shop owner can remotely control the system, ensuring efficient operation even when absent. Go&Go also provides regular maintenance and nationwide technical support, giving customers complete peace of mind when investing. Most importantly, investing early before the New Year season is the biggest advantage. When demand shortages, those who invest first will be the first to profit. As this trend spreads, owning an automatic system is not only a profitable investment, but it's also the way to establish brand recognition, build trust, and retain customers long-term. After handover, technical team guide the shop owner on operation, regular maintenance, cleaning process and water filters, and setting wash and rinse time. The small space suddenly become modern and professional, attracting many customers and creating a living atmosphere, perfect for the New Year season. Once the machine is running smoothly, The joy lies not only in the increased daily revenue, but also in customer satisfaction. The delighted expressions on people's face when they see their bike sparkling clean in just a few minutes, of the smile of those trying a helmet wash for the first time and being surprised by the pleasant sense. These are the motivations that story us. Investing in technologies is absolutely worldwide. Go&Go does not just provide machines. We offer practical, sustainable, and clearly profitable business solution. A system is a new beginning, helping business thrive and increase income before the new year. A decision today can turn the New Year holiday into a truly proud occasion of clean, profitable, and automatic. Contact Go&Go today to see the demo, receive technical advice, and get complete installation support before New Year holiday now.
I just can't wait.